cryptocurrency is differ among countries, and most of countries is considering regulations for cryptocurrency, and now they are considering things such as for ICO and security token and so on. So many regulations is updated on a moment-to-moment basis. While regulation is changing dramatically, we should catch up regulations in each countries, and it is difficult to catch up many countries' regulations. So we have entities in several countries. So we are now 4 entities in several countries, and we are working tightly to operate blockchain business. And the Korea team is the most aggressive team in the blockchain space in our team. So I really appreciate that many efforts of the Korea team. And to achieve mass adoption blockchain, there is a lot of work to do to promote blockchain technology. And METAPS is focusing on blockchain-specific user experience development and usability and interface improvement toward blockchain mass adoption. And METAPS operate a lot of blockchain business, and we classify the businesses into 3 classes: portal, commerce, and trading and payment. And to achieve mass adoption blockchain, the service for actual demand should be established. So we classify the service for actual demand as commerce. And now recently we are focusing on payment and digital item especially. As for payment, we are developing service for using cryptocurrency in a payment. And recently we are developing the crypto card, which is like a prepaid card, like iTunes card and Google Play card. A specific amount of cryptocurrency is charged in crypto card, so our users can get cryptocurrency by buying a crypto card. Users can use cryptocurrency in payment using this crypto card, and this is we think this is a really good product to promote mass adoption cryptocurrency. And as for digital item, we launch Digster and Temex at first, and we are expecting that blockchain is used as a shared database for digital item in the virtual world, such as VR, AR, and MR. When people get to spend a lot of time in the virtual world, amounting the value of items, digital items will increase dramatically, and the decentralized database is required to secure independence of digital items. So now we are focusing on digital item in the blockchain space. As for trading and payment, now we are operating outside in Korea. So far, cryptocurrency exchange has been playing a role as a liquidity provider for trading. And also we expect that cryptocurrency exchange will be playing a role in our payment system for cryptocurrency payment. So now we are developing the features to provide a payment system for cryptocurrency exchanges. And as for portal, wallet is the gateway for the blockchain, but current wallet, there's a lot of issues to solve, such as usability and security. So now we are considering the architecture to solve these issues. As I showed in this slide, we operating a lot of business in blockchain field, but to achieve mass adoption, there is a lot of work to do in the various field in the industry. So we need to cooperate with many entities to promote blockchain mass adoption. So we are building a blockchain ecosystem. So from this point, I will explain about blockchain ecosystem. At first, I will explain the stakeholders in the blockchain ecosystem. As for projects, there's many types of projects in the blockchain space, such as application providers and blockchain developers and regulators and so on. And speakers in this conference is also classified as projects. And now they are developing many kind of applications based on blockchain and promote development of the use case of blockchain. So they are playing an important role in developing blockchain mass adoption. And as for B2B services, there's also many kind of services such as QuantStack and Infra, which support their projects. They are providing services to support projects to establish applications on blockchain. And as for investors, they provide distribution of funds, and they're providing their funds to the projects. Project will be accelerated by funds to get money to develop applications and promote their services. And Rust, there's a community. There's many types of community in blockchain space, such as user community and the developers community and the standardization of community. And the role of community is depending on their types of community. For example, developers community will include blockchain technology, such as for scaling and usability program. So our community is also a very important role in blockchain ecosystem. So from this point, I will introduce METAPS activities to build a blockchain ecosystem. At first, I will introduce our role in funds distribution. METAPS provide ICO advisory. We provide support for project in ICO advisory. Their support is such as token design and legal check and marketing and so on. And we also connect investors to project in ICO advisory. So we provide funds distribution in ICO advisory. And we also introduce B2B service to projects. For example, we introduce QuantStamp to projects. QuantStamp is the smart contract auditors, and the security of smart contract is very important to establish blockchain-based application. Checking their smart contract security by experts, it is really necessary to secure their application based on blockchain. So we introduced QuantStamp to projects. We will continue to increase our connection with B2B service to enrich our support for projects. And we also have a connection with communities, and we also work with communities. There's many kind of communities, and there's a Ethereum developers community in Japan named High Ether. There are many Ethereum developers communicating in the community to share information about Ethereum technology. And we also support them by providing sponsorship for their conference. And there's also a blockchain-specific co-working space in Japan named Neutrino and HashHub. There's a lot of people to go to the co-working space to learn about blockchain technology. Blockchain communities established around the co-working space, and we also plan to hold meetups and workshops in the co-working space to provide an opportunity to learn about blockchain technology. And there's also Token Alliance, named the Non-Fungible Alliance, which is provide a place to share the information about token standard and promote the services which is used some kind of tokens. So we work with communities to boost blockchain industry. And last, we collaborate with many projects. Recently, there's many blockchain game developers in blockchain space, and there's a possibility that new types of games will born on the blockchain. So many developers to try to create new types of game on blockchain. So we work collaboratively together to boost a blockchain game together. And METAPS will increase our activities in blockchain field. And we display our activities on our blockchain website. So if you want to catch up with our activities, please visit our website. We provide this website in Korean and Japanese and English. And to promote blockchain mass adoption, let's build a blockchain ecosystem together. Thank you.
네, 정말 좋은 내용 소개해 주셔서 진심으로 감사드립니다. 네, 마지막 이벤트 순서가 한 번 더 남아 있습니다. 네,